All right, our veterinarian, Dr. Joe, is here to answer all of your pet questions this afternoon. He's brought along little Emma with the Pet Adoption League, and she is the sweetest cat.
She is a good little gray little girl. She's a little gray tabby, and she's about 11 weeks old. And she's just a very nice little cat here. A lot of times I'll tell people it's hard when they get to be 12, 13, 14 weeks to bring them on, and so I kind of have a 8, 9, maybe 10-week rule, but she's 11 weeks, and she's just a great little kitten. So she's a little older, but it's still, she's pretty calm. So, but anyway, yeah, I was telling you, it's kind of atypical. We don't get as many kittens right now, but she's at a foster with the Pet Adoption League. She'll be at our clinic this afternoon. But good little cat. I mean, she has some springy to her, but like right now, she'll just sit here and get petted all day long.
Yeah, she hasn't freaked out at all.
No, she's a good one. So. Anyway, but
yeah, she's a good little cat. Born right in the middle of winter, so she's tough.
Yep, that's right.
She's very tough. All right, so let's get to some more questions. Stephen asks, my dog killed a rat. Do rats carry rabies? Should I be worried about any other diseases? What should I do?
Yeah, so yes, rats can carry rabies. And most of the time I'll tell people that they usually carry other diseases. There's some like leptospirosis and some other deals that can cause like vomiting and diarrhea and lethargy. And so I'm more kind of concerned about that. Most of the time I'll tell people if they do get lethargic or they have diarrhea or anything after you've been around some rats, you know, probably going and your veterinarian and they'll get you some antibiotics. So
okay, yeah, better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
All right, Melissa asks, my cat gets hairballs pretty often. Are they dangerous?
Yeah, occasionally they are dangerous. I mean, they can cause an intestinal blockage, but most of the time they kind of vomit them up. And if they start kind of vomiting them weekly, you know, you kind of talk to your veterinarian because there's some things we can do to help it or even prevent it. You know, there's some laxatone and stuff. Actually, we're seeing a lot of allergies lately. I mean, it's kind of a weird time of year, but we are. And they'll groom themselves a lot. And that's the other deal I'll tell people is brush them, because if you get that hair before they can get it down, it cannot form a hairball.
All right, well, good to know. Yeah. Well, Bill asks, my dog has a chipped tooth. Should I be worried?
Yeah, most of the time, you know, if the pulp's not exposed, it's not as a really bad thing or whatever. You know, they chip and wear their teeth. I mean, most of the dogs, that's one way that we kind of age them is how their teeth kind of look, okay? But if there's pain, swelling, bleeding, if there's a lot of gum recession, then honestly it should be checked. And a lot of times if the tooth dies, after a while, it does need to be extracted.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, so.
Not fun.
No. But I will tell you that dog and cat teeth are a little tougher than us, it just seems like. I mean, we see a lot of dental disease and they seem to do okay, but a lot of times a little ounce of prevention. It's dental month now, and my gosh, you know, it's a good time to get 10% off and go. I mean, almost every veterinarian has that now or whatever. But it's something you don't think about because most people don't look in their mouth too much. I mean, I don't look in my dog's mouth a lot. You know,
well, some of them won't let you.
Yeah, that's true too.
Especially if you're trying to get something out of there.
That's true too. That's if they have a good treat or something. Yeah. So anyway, but yeah. So.
All right. Well, if you have a question for Dr. Joe about your pets, post it to our Facebook page, KJRH TV. And if you're interested in adopting little Emma here, you can call Heritage Vet at the number you see on your screen. And if you want to learn more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital or maybe see some other pets who need homes, go to our website, KJRH.com. Thanks so much, Dr. Joe.
Well, thank you too.